when I was done straightening everything. Like, this is definitely giving it's my hair. Like, it's really giving. Like, I was loving it so much. I was really loving it. Like, do y'all see that? Come on. This is definitely my go-to wig, y'all. This is my go-to. Like, do y'all see this? Like, it's giving very natural. What's up, you guys? It's your girl Tamara and we are back with another video. So today we're getting to this V-part unit from Nadula Hair. Now, I was very excited to review this unit because this took me like no time to do my hair. Like, this V-part wig is newly designed. It fits on your head so well, and the extra clips on it is just so good. So they basically designed this V-part wig to be so easy. Like, do you guys see how fast I put it on? It's just how quick it is. Like, this install took no time. You guys see my little braid down that I did. It was nothing crazy, just something so that I could have the clips, something to attach to. But the fact that this has clips, like the clip-in clips, and then it also has the additional clips on the side, and then that drawstring in the back, and it has an elastic band in it, it definitely makes this feel like it's not going anywhere, like you just sold some bundles on your hair or something. So really what I did was the whole front perimeter of my hair I took out, and then I did take out my middle part as well because I was doing it in the middle. But as you guys can see, before I even started straightening, my hair definitely started blending because this is a YAKI straight texture, like a kinky straight texture. So this is giving blowout. So basically, like, it's literally giving if you were to like blow out some natural hair. And one thing that I really love about this new design on the V-part wig is that it has hair on the top. So like, as you guys can see, when I put it in, you guys see my leave out is still out, but like you can't even tell where the freaking V-part wig is because there's hair on the top, which blends so well. So I just feel like it just blended so well. It took me no time to really do this. So what I'm really doing right now is I'm just straightening my hair and straightening my leave out, but everything blended, and the V-part wig just blends in with my hair so much even before I put my hair blending in on it for the middle part. Like, as you guys can see right here, you guys can see the V-part wig and how it has the hair already on top of it, and it doesn't have no type of lace or anything like that, which made it so much better for me to pull off this install and have it look very versatile when I really just had like the perimeter of my hair out. But for the style that I was going for, I was going for like a back, like the hair back type of style with a headband. So I did want to make sure that my baby hairs and stuff was looking real cute. I didn't want to do too much, just something simple. But I did go in and start straightening the hair a little bit with my hair just so everything can blend. I didn't want this to be silky straight. I was just going for like the blowout type look, which is why I just really did one pass for my hair for real when I was going over the sections of me straightening my hair. But everything was just looking so good, y'all. Like, I really kind of wish I dyed the bundles exactly to my hair color, but it blended for the most part because this is like a natural black type color, like a natural color, and my hair is dyed like that shiny jet black color, but it still blended really well. Like, you guys see, it's giving my hair, like, it's definitely giving. That one little part I did, it's definitely giving like I'm straightening my hair. Like, they did their thing with this V-part wig. Like, this is so natural, and this is going to be one of my go-tos for real. And as you guys can see, when I was done straightening everything, like this is definitely giving it's my hair. Like it's really giving. Like I was loving it so much. I was really loving it. Like, do y'all see that? Come on. This is definitely my go-to wig, y'all. This is my go-to. Like, do y'all see this? Like, it's giving very natural. But for my baby hairs, I'm just going in with some Wetline Extreme and getting them down looking real cute and real tight. And then after I did my baby hairs, I just went in with a little wax stick just to make sure that my front was like really slick, because I was putting a headband over it. But you guys, like this hair is just so freaking cute. Like if you want something that's going to blend in with your hair and just give very natural vibes, like go ahead and get this V part, because it's literally giving it's my hair. Like I'm gonna keep saying that because it's definitely giving that. So y'all already know where the link is at in the description box down below. Y'all can shop in Nadula Hair and pick up this V part wig, this new and improved V part wig, because it's definitely giving. Like I was just so amazed. It took me no time to do this, and periodically I was just going through and straightening just to make sure everything looked exactly how I wanted to look. But y'all, I just can't keep saying it enough. Like this hair just looks so cute. Like it would have been cute with like a little natural straight bust down, but you guys know I was putting it in a headband like this, how I styled it, and it was just so cute, y'all. Like I really love this. Like this is just giving natural baddie, period. I love the way this look, y'all. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give your girl a like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll be back with more videos soon.